Apple good for skin whitening. Skincare eating apples or applying it as a paste in combination with honey and milk helps to add glow and shine to your skin. The antioxidants present in the skin of apples help to fight the signs of damaged skin such as wrinkles, age spots, blemishes, etc. It helps in improving the blood circulation. Improved blood circulation replaces the old cells with new ones. This ensures youthful and radiant-looking skin. Apple helps to fight rheumatism. Rheumatism affects the joints and muscles of the body. People suffering from chronic rheumatism may find relief by consuming an apple daily. Apple contains a ton of flavonoids that help in the healing process of rheumatism. Apple also helps to treat arthritis pain and go. Apple helps in smooth bowel movement. Bowel movements apples are high in a fiber called pectin. This fiber can be found between the cell walls of the apple. The pectin fiber contained in apples aid in the digestive process by ensuring smoother bowel movements. It prevents constipation and all kinds of stomach diseases. Fiber should be included as part of your daily diet. The insoluble fiber contained in apple help to add bulk to your stool, especially those suffering from loose stools. This helps to retain water and make your stool soft. Consuming apple also helps to stimulate peristaltic motion, which in turn makes the muscles contract, allowing the food to move along. Helps to prevent cancer. The benefits of apple for cancer prevention have become a subject of study in the medical world. They help to improve types of cancer such as breast and colon cancer. Apples are naturally imbued with health and nutritional properties that help to act as protective barriers to any kind of health trouble from brewing, including cancer. As a cancer preventive measure, it contains antioxidants that help to fight off the free radicals that bring about harm to your cells. However, exactly how an apple works to improve cancer in terms of its mechanism is still not fully clear in the medical world. Apple for digestive problems. Intestine apples help to better develop the functioning of the bacteria that reside in the large intestine. Apples alter the metabolic rate of the digestive tract. This changed metabolic rate then helps to cause modifications in the bacteria balance, which improves the gut health. As a result of the improved health condition, it aids in the removal of toxic elements and bad bacteria. Apple juice for anemia. Anemia is a health condition where there is a decrease in the hemoglobin count of the blood. Patients who are suffering from anemia can easily treat their condition by including a source of iron in their daily diet, either in fruit form or as additional health supplements. Apple is a great source of iron and acts as a great home remedy in the treatment of anemia. The common signs and symptoms of anemia include sleep deprivation, headache, heartbeat, shortness of breath, and tiredness. Have it raw or in the form of juice made at home, without sugar. A combination of apple juice with that of beetroot juice or apple juice and tomato juice works wonders for your health. Apple helps control diabetes. Diabetes, for those suffering from diabetes, regulating blood sugar levels is absolutely necessary. The polyphenol contained in apples help to reduce the absorption of carbohydrates by the digestive system. This helps to control the constant fluctuation of the blood sugar level in the bloodstream. As a result, your diabetes remains in check. Additionally, the polyphenols present in apple help in the absorption of glucose by the digestive tract. When this happens, the insulin released from the pancreas play an important role of keeping the blood sugar levels in control. Apple helps to fight weakness. Fights weakness. Apples are loaded with antioxidants and help to detoxify the body. They help in gaining weight. Patients who are going through their recovery phase are often given apple to eat as they instill energy and vitality. Remember to add apples to your daily diet if you want to feel energized all day long. Apple reduces risk of Alzheimer's disease. Apple contain antioxidants that have been seen to provide protection to the cells in the brain against a process called oxidative stress. This process causes an imbalance between the amount of free radicals produced and that of the ability of the body to be able to negate the damaging effects. This process leads to tissue damage and causes Alzheimer's to occur. Aside from Alzheimer's, this tissue-damaging process also causes certain neurodegenerative disorders. The phytonutrients contained in apples work towards lowering the chances of an Alzheimer's disease. Apple helps cure respiratory problems. Apples contain anti-inflammatory properties that help to treat respiratory troubles. Respiratory issues are triggered when the respiratory system becomes weakened by the inflammation of certain membranes and cells. Asthma is one of the most aggravated respiratory conditions where people suffering from it can also die. Consuming apples on a regular basis helps to deal with any kind of respiratory diseases. Those who are prone to asthmatic tendencies should make it a point to add apple to their daily fruit diet. Apple reduces pressure on blood vessels. As already mentioned, apples are a great source of antioxidants. These properties play a significant role in lowering the oxidizing effects of fats. This process involves counteracting triglycerides and other kinds of fats that are contained in the canals of the blood vessels. This leads to excess application of pressure on the walls of the blood vessels. By eating an apple, this pressure can be avoided as they contain a potent flavonoid known as quercetin. This flavonoid reduces the occurrence of inflammation in the blood vessels of the heart.